At Google Research, we developed health acoustics representations, otherwise known as HEAR, which is a foundation model. With HEAR, we hope that researchers will be able to discover new acoustic biomarkers a lot faster. And compared to blood tests and imaging, sound is by far the most accessible piece of information that we can get about a person. In places where access to advanced medical resources is scarce, we can imagine a future where a healthcare professional with a machine learning model on a phone can collect a sample of your sound and inform clinical care.